My GNARBOX is finally dead. So as you may be aware, I am a huge fan of the GNARBOX. I talk about it all the time and use it at absolutely every wedding that I do. But in recent news, I don't know what's happening with the company, and I finally need to talk with you all about that because my GNARBOX is dead now. So let's take a quick trip down memory lane to talk about my involvement with the GNARBOX. I think it's been about 2 years at this point when I initially hit them up. But basically, I saw the GNARBOX and I thought it was a super cool product, so I got in touch with them to see if I could do a review on it. Now again, my whole belief on the channel is I'll do review of things that I actually use, and I don't mind having affiliate links to them because I may as well get paid if I'm going to talk about it anyway. So I hit up GNARBOX. They liked me a lot and I was able to get a 1TB GNARBOX 2.0. The thing was awesome. I did my video. If you haven't checked it out, I'll leave it in the description below. Used it at every single one of my weddings. I was also affiliated with them and was in the affiliate program for a while, so I was getting a bit of a kickback. But then around 2020, the affiliate program stopped, and that's when I started getting a little worried about the business. At the time, if you're familiar, the supply chain started getting backed up, and hard drives were one of the tech things that were hard to get. So I initially connected the dots and was like, you know what? They're probably having a hard time even making systems, which is why they stopped the affiliate program. So once that happened, I knew things were not looking good for GNARBOX, and I was totally correct, as things right now are just totally messed up. If you want more details on the whole situation, I was just watching a video by Chris Spiegel, which is really good. I'll leave a link about that in the description below, but he goes over all the tweets that happen in the current state of the company. But basically, I found this out the hard way because my GNARBOX is currently broken. Looking at their support, basically when your GNARBOX turns on and when it's loading up, if it loops while it's loading up, your thing is pretty much dead. And that's where I'm at currently. I can't boot up my GNARBOX. It just keeps looping while it's trying to boot. I've tried to update the software and it makes absolutely no difference. On top of that, the app for the GNARBOX is not even in the App Store anymore, so be wary if you're looking at the GNARBOX and you're trying to buy it now. You can still buy it, I don't know why, but the company's pretty much not there. So I try to hit up their support because I have the looping boot, and go figure, I can't get in touch with them at all. On top of that, their website is pretty much down. So yeah, GNARBOX is seeming like they're done. They're still around and I don't know why they're still selling systems. Like, I would love to get another one, but honestly, I can't recommend it to anyone, even as much as I love it in its current state. I mean, seriously, this thing was awesome. Had an SD card slot. You could hook USB-C card readers to it, back up all your stuff, make folders inside of folders, inside of the GNARBOX. I absolutely used it at every wedding. And that's not even coming from someone who had an affiliate account with them. Like, I really loved the thing. But yeah, here I am now with a GNARBOX that I can't even use, and now I have to find a new way to back up my second's photos at the wedding. And I don't want to have to bring a laptop, because again, if I bring a whole laptop and something happens to it, that's all of my work. So again, I might go back to the first external hard drive that I was originally using, which was a My Passport thing. I don't even know because I haven't used it in so long, but I have one. I may try and see if there's a new one. If you all know of a good one as well, leave it in the comments below. But seriously, what do you think of the current state of GNARBOX? Do you feel safe buying one? Do you think they'll come back? And GNARBOX, if y'all are watching this, please come back because I would love to support you all again and also buy another GNARBOX. It is extremely useful for anyone who's out on the field or wedding photographers who need to back up immediately without bringing a whole laptop with them. Let me know in the comments below what you all think about the current state of GNARBOX and if I should stick with them or find something else. I really, really loved using it, but there's nothing else on the market right now that compares. It's the saddest story, and I just needed to make a video real quick because I was just like, man, my thing is broke and I can't even use it and I can't get in touch with them. Like, I thought the Petapixel article was just kind of like, oh yeah, we're reporting on stuff just because. No, GNARBOX is pretty much gone. They're gone. I don't know what to do. Y'all letting me know what to do.